We added the carousel in our last video, but we've decided that we want to at least try something else to see how it feels on the site. This time we're going to try tiled galleries to give our gallery page a more magazine-like look. In order to do this, all we have to do after we enable the plugin in Jetpack is head over to the media settings. Here, we'll see a new option called Tiled Galleries, and it gives us a checkbox labeled Display all your gallery pictures in a cool mosaic. We'll leave those changes, and now we'll go back to our gallery page and make sure our gallery is set to use this setting. We'll click the Edit button in the gallery silhouette and change the type from thumbnail grid to tiled mosaic. Now we'll update and refresh our gallery to see the changes. As you can see, our images are now tiled, with some being larger and some smaller, giving our gallery page a more organic feel. I don't know about you, but I like the thought of an organic look on a gardening page, so we're going to keep this. You'll also notice that if you click one of these images, our carousel is still in effect. Now that we have a great looking gallery that works great for the images that we've uploaded to WordPress, we want to expand our horizons a bit. We're big fans of Flickr, one of the oldest photography websites on the internet, because we know that it contains a lot of gardening pictures uploaded by people proud of the fruits and vegetables they grow. You may have noticed the awesome Flickr gallery option in the dashboard navigation menu. That's the plugin we're going to use to integrate Flickr into our site. It can be found through the standard plugin search. If we look at our settings, we can see that there's a little work to be done before we can actually start using this plugin. You'll have to get a Flickr API key in secret and your user ID. Fortunately, the plugin developers saw fit to give us links to do that. Below that, we have all the actual gallery settings. For this demonstration, we'll leave these at their default settings for now. After you save changes, you can scroll down and see the preview window. If you've got everything set up properly, you should see your latest 5 images in this box. This plugin also has an advanced settings button, where you can add your custom CSS. Modifying this is beyond the scope of this course and is probably left best to people who know what they're doing with changing a plugin's CSS. Now let's expand on our previous gallery page a bit. We'll add a heading above our standard gallery. And we'll come down below that gallery and add another heading called Flickr. All we have to do now is add the awesome Flickr gallery shortcode, update, and view the new page. Now we have both our gallery and our Flickr gallery. As an added bonus, Awesome Flickr Gallery includes its own carousel-like feature when you click an image. You may notice that this carousel doesn't quite look like the other carousel. This is where those advanced settings for the plugin we saw earlier might come into play. Modifying the CSS of this gallery to match how the carousel gallery looks would add some cohesion to our site and make everything feel like it belongs. We now have our WordPress gallery, and we've integrated a gallery from Flickr into our site. We have a rich multimedia experience for our readers, and our site is more professional looking now. Yes, there are some design elements we could tweak and a few things we could change, but this will satisfy our needs for now. In the next chapter, we'll start learning about themes and how to modify the look and feel of our site.